Hey, this is somewhat of a response to a video I just saw about a German word, and I can just not keep my opinion in. So I don't care if that pisses some Germans off, but I don't think the word na is polite. It's not a polite form of greeting, and it's something that you maybe say to your kid. You say something like na Schatzi or na was machst du denn? Hey, what you're doing? Like, if you say it in that kind of cute, innocent way, it is appropriate, I think. It is cool to say that to kids. But to adults, basically what you're expressing is, I'm too lazy to greet you formally or even informally. Like, you're literally too lazy to say hi or hey or hello. Like, hey, hey. Hello. Hi. That's too much for you. You have to step down to no. Also, the tone of it usually is kind of a little bit it's there's just something off about it. Okay? It's just something that you don't say to somebody that you actually want to greet, you know? It's more like checking in on somebody, like, what's up? Or what are you doing here? Like, what are you doing here? Like, I just found you in the kitchen and I expect you working, but you're not. Something, it's just like, if my boss would say that to me in my work environment, I would be like, does he think I'm lazy, or what does he want? Like, it would totally send weird signals. And so, yeah, I can't even remember when I said that word last time. No, I can't even think of a single situation other than if I check in on my child and she's in her room playing, and I'm just going in there and be like, no, like, what are you doing? Are you doing something naughty? Are you up to something? Are you painting the walls? Like, what is it? It's too quiet in here. That's what you use it for. Okay, I hope this helped out some of you, maybe, and if it upset some other people, I really don't give a shit.